Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to link a GitHub repository with your Claude account. So it's really easy, but it might take a few minutes and some menu navigation, but I'm sure you'll be able to do so. So what you're going to start with is go to github.com. You're going to want to sign into your GitHub account. So as you can see, I've already signed in. And once you see this dashboard, you should be able to open up Claude and sign in there. Once you've signed into Claude, go ahead and click on the customize icon here at the left-hand side of your screen. Click on connectors and then look for GitHub integration. As you can see, mine has already been linked. That's why there's a check mark under the status. But if you haven't linked yours yet, you're going to be able to see this connect button. Just click on that, click on authorize, and within a few seconds, it should be good to go. So once that's done, you can start integrating your GitHub repositories with your Claude prompts. So let's say, for example, I want to add some files from GitHub. I'm just going to click on this plus button here. And once you've finished integration, you should be able to see this add from GitHub button. So here you're going to be able to add your repositories to your chats. So let's say, for example, I want to add a new one. All I have to do is go to a certain repository that I want to copy over. Click on this link button or chain icon, paste the code, press enter. And as you can see, the repository has changed. So if I click on add repository now, I can use this GitHub repository with my Claude prompt if I wanted to go through the files, to optimize the code, to manage some of the structure in my project. I would simply write a prompt asking it to do that. So really quick and really easy. That's how you can get started using Claude with your GitHub repositories. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.